Good afternoon. This is CNFT's afternoon wrap-up of our trade recommendations made in the 30-year bond, the ZB contract, at 6:45 a.m. this morning. We came in today favoring the buy side because of the FOMC meeting. The market had sold into today's meeting, meaning that the trade with the most potential was to the upside. If the E-mini didn't have an explosive rally, the market favored rallying up. We saw resistance really starting at 20, going all the way up to 28, and we made a high of 29. So the first trade came off of a retest failure setup, which is a prescribed trade for us, plus a setback trade. And this had you long at 5 to 8, and the market eventually trades up to 24. We expect to make 6 to 8 30 seconds on every trade. So if you took the minimum expectation of 6 30 seconds, it was a nice winning trade. If you traded it perfectly from 5 all the way up to 24, you had a shot at 18 30 seconds. So it was a big trade. Up here, we got a setback signal, which would have had you short at 24, or a retest failure signal, which would have had you short at 28. And the market's first stop was 19, so you had a shot at 6 to 7 30 seconds. The market correct back up right here. We get a series of 3 sell signals that the software puts on the screen for you. This has you short at 21, and the market trades down to 7. And you got either our 6 30 seconds. If you traded it perfectly, you could have pulled 13 out. And that was it for the day. We had 3 trades. Minimum expectations were to make 18 30 seconds. If you traded it perfectly, you had a shot at 38 30 seconds. So big trading day. The bond is a contract that you really need to take a hard look at. You can put a lot of money in your pocket. It almost always retests support or resistance to the tick. You can see it here. It does trade with the news. Bad news takes the market lower. Good news takes the market higher. So you eliminate that uncertainty that you have in other contracts, notably crude and the E-mini. If you'd like to find out more about who we are and what we do, please come to our website, www.cnfuturestrading.com. At our site, you'll get an overview of what we offer, our software, our trading methodologies, and our educational programs. To further encourage you to take a look at us, we offer you 5 free days in the main trading room where we trade crude, the bond, the note, gold, the euro, and the E-mini. Please contact us via email at info@cnfuturestrading.com or call us directly at 312-361-3895. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the main trading room for your 5-day free trial offer. In the meantime, good trading.